Hello students, hello learners. In this part, we will learn mostly questions which many times asked in different competitive exams. Importance of chemistry in agricultural and various other fields. First, in agricultural activity, we used fertilizers, pesticides. Basically, fertilizers are those nutrients which used to improve fertility of the plants, and these fertilizers are known as plant nutrients. These are essential for growth of plant and development of plant. The major chemicals which is used as fertilizers are ammonium nitrate. The formula of ammonium nitrate is NH4NO3. Urea, this is the first organic compound which was synthesized in laboratory by Wohler. This is urea NH2CO NH2, which is non-explosive and solid in nature. Phosphate fertilizers like superphosphates. About 90% of fertilizers are in the solid form. Some are in liquid form also. Pesticides. Pesticides are those chemicals which added to the soil to kill pests like herbicides, which is used to kill unwanted plant or grass growth. Insecticides are used to destroy insects which destroy or harm the plants. Pesticides may come in contact with other living organisms and disrupt the balanced ecosystem. Soil ecosystem. Products. Knowledge of chemistry has initiated production of different products like food, different refined oil, butter, cheese, all are obtained through chemical reactions. All the construction materials like cement, gypsum, mortar, glass, all these are chemical compounds. Clothing, all natural fibers, fabrics like silk, all are chemicals. Household like cooking gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Food preservatives, utensils, conservatives, electronic items, all are the part of or importance of chemistry. Daily uses things like paint, all the dyes, perfumes, paper, ink is the part of chemistry. Industrial metals and alloys and their applications in renewable machines, production of substances, production of automobiles, all are the gift of chemistry. Petroleum product like petrol, kerosene oil, diesel oil are the products which is obtained from the petroleum. Petroleum is crude oil. Crude oil. In other terms, we can say raw oil. General uses. Food and chemistry. Cosmetics, clothing and all. फार्मिंग में एग्रीकल्चर में यूज होते हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज में यूज होते हैं. सो वी कैन से विदाउट केमिस्ट्री देयर इज नो लाइफ पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ. केमिस्ट्री इज इनसाइड एंड केमिस्ट्री इज आउटसाइड. हमारे अंदर भी केमिस्ट्री है और हमारे बाहर भी केमिस्ट्री है. आर ऑल बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ केमिकल्स एंड आर ऑल utilizable things are obtained from the chemistry. Now we will discuss some historical studies, historical perspectives of development of chemistry. Here, alchemists in the medieval period. Alchemists means क्या होता है? आज के टाइम में we are study about the modern chemist. Alchemists were the people who were predecessors of the modern chemistry. They were largely discredited the scientific community. Alchemists include occult and religion, leading to scientific research. Nicholas Flamel, an alchemist around 14th century, claimed the transformation of metal into gold. According to Nicholas Flamel, all substance can be transformed into gold, or all metals can be transformed into gold. Same as some alchemists said, transform or create substance through seemingly magical process. Philosopher's Stone, a big achievement of European scientist. Philosopher's Stone, vastly connected with all transformation projects. According to scientists, Philosopher's Stone in legendary substances capable to turning inexpensive metals like lead or mercury into gold. क्या कहते थे ये फिलोसोफर कि किसी भी मेटल स्पेशली लेड और मरकरी को हम गोल्ड और सिल्वर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ये एक ऐसा स्टोन होता है जो किसी भी मेटल को, लेड, मरकरी को गोल्ड में और सिल्वर में कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. इट वॉज नॉट लिटरली ए स्टोन बट ए पाउडर और पोर्शन. लेकिन इसका नाम था फिलोसोफर्स स्टोन बट दैट वॉज ए पाउडर. इट वॉज बिलीव्ड दैट elixir of life for a long time was the most sought after gold in Western alchemy. In 17th century, some philosophers used this philosopher's stone and they extracted another things. Dear learner, in this part of the chapter we will learn about some contributions of different scientists. Some scientists like Dmitry Mendeleev, famous, who gave the concept of Mendeleev's periodic table, means concept of periodic table, which is also known as classical table nowadays. He arranged all the elements in a particular sequence on the basis of their atomic masses. Later, Moseley has modified that periodic table on the basis of atomic number, and nowadays modern periodic table is based on atomic number. Mendeleev was a Russian scientist who has given the concept of periodic table of different elements in 1834 around. Antoine Lavoisier, he is the French scientist. कौन है ये? फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट हैं. and he is known as father of modern chemistry and also known for discovery of oxygen. John Dalton, scientist who gave the Dalton's atomic theory. English scientist, he was a English scientist and he gave the postulates of atomic theory, that is known as Dalton's atomic theory, and he also gave the modern atomic theory. Val van Helmont discovered the carbon dioxide. Glauber discovered hydrogen chloride gas and also nitric acid. Joseph Priestley discovered sulfur dioxide gas. So these are some scientists and their achievement in the field of chemistry. Dear learners, in this part we will talk about food and chemistry. Dear learners, as I told you Chemistry is the basis of life. Food preservative. Many chemical substances are used to kill the bacteria, to protect the food from bacteria or microbes. They reduce risk of foodborne diseases. यानी कि they protect from biological factors like bacteria, virus and all. Let's learn some important food preservatives. Preservatives and which types of food materials can be preserved with these food preservative. Benzoic acid, which has fruity smell and used for preservation of jams, pickles, carbonate drinks and all. Nitrate, which is used to meat products preservation. Sulfur compound used in the preservation of beverages and wines. Some preservatives have side effect and hence study and further research is required, like preservatives for jams, preservative for pickles. Food processing. How to process food, physical and chemical processing, raw material in food to marketable food products. Food processing, mincing, cooking, pickling, preservative adding, canning and packaging. All these 6 steps follow to preserve food or food processing. Chemistry is essential also for cosmetic and cosmetic field. Cosmetics field. All the fragrance are coming from the chemicals. All the synthetic sources used to beautifying the persons. Zinc oxide, iron oxide, talc. Oils, fats, creams, all are chemicals. Talcum powder is made from talc, a mineral made up of hydrated magnesium silicate, which contains magnesium, silicon and oxygen. So we have different types of chemicals in the field of chemistry. Talc powder is used for absorbing moisture, cuts down the friction, keeps skin dry and prevention of rashes. The major ingredients in the field of cosmetics: water, titanium dioxide, which is used to protect mild sun protections. सन से आने वाली अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से ये हमें क्या करता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फाउंड इन बेसिकली सनस्क्रीन्स. ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ जिंक एंड आयरन, anti-inflammatory properties, so that they are used in cosmetics. Emulsifiers are those substances in which oil dispersed in water, like cream and lotions are the examples of emulsifier. And preservatives are those which prevents from microorganisms. So in cosmetic industry, preservation from the microbes is very essential. In the field of chemistry, clothing, chemistry is essential because from the fabrics like terylene, dacron, silk, nylons, all these used in the clothing. The clothing fibers, we can make fibers which are organic compounds like cotton and wool. Cotton and wool are naturally occurring fibers. Cotton is obtained from the cotton plant and wool is obtained from the hairs of sheep, camel, rabbit, goat and bears. Synthetic fibers like terylene, nylon, rayon, all are synthesized in the laboratory and used to used in clothing, carpet making and other uses. Terylene is a polyamide which is also known as terylene is a polyester which is a natural fiber. Terylene is a synthetic polyester fiber or fabric formed generally polyesters. Next one is the other synthetic fibers here. Rayon, cellulose fiber which is a synthetic fiber also. Nylons are also artificial synthetic fibers which is used to make fabrics, ropes, brushes, hooks and all. Here are some examples, some uses of terylene. And chemicals as medicines. Aspirin and paracetamol, only two examples are here, but all medicines are chemicals. Aspirin is used to treat pain, fever and inflammation. Risk of death, it decreases the risk of death during the heart attack. If someone has heart attack, then you give the aspirin after some time, then heartbeat will be controlled and risk of death will be decreases. It reduces the blood clotting also. Paracetamol, mild to moderate fever, pain and सभी ने पैरासीटामोल को यूज किया हुआ होगा. पैरासीटामोल, एस्प्रिन एंड अदर मेडिसिन की केमिस्ट्री के ऊपर मैं डिफरेंट वीडियो बनाई हुई है. कैटेगराइज करने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. और इनकी केमिस्ट्री के बारे में, मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री के बारे में मैं बात करूंगी अपने डिफरेंट वीडियो में. सो आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स की केमिस्ट्री, बायो, साइंस स्टडी करने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर लीजिए और कमेंट भी कर दीजिए. आई एम यूजिंग दिस टाइम बुक बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लेन दिस बुक वर्ड टू वर्ड. मेजर पॉइंट्स ऑफ ए बुक, हाउ कैन वी कंप्लीट one chapter in 30 minutes or 20 minutes, in which we have got lots of knowledge. Next, other medicines like antacids or sodium carbonate, which is used to cure acidity or upset of stomach. Iron supplement or vitamin B12, which is used to treat anemia. Anemia is a disease which is due to deficiency of red cells in blood. Antibacterials, conjunctivitis, inflammation of membrane covering the eyeballs. Here are some tablets. This is aspirin, paracetamol. You can see these in your day-to-day life. सभी के घर में पैरासीटामोल या एस्पिरिन देखने को मिलती है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर इज केमिकल्स इन इंडस्ट्री, सोप, डिटर्जेंट एंड स्टेन रिमूवल. सोप डेली यूज करते हैं, एसेंशियल है, नहीं यूज करेंगे, नॉट फीलिंग वेल. फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छी होती है, कोई बहुत सोपी होता है, कोई सॉफ्ट होता है, सिल्की होता है. तो इन सभी में क्या यूज होते हैं? केमिकल्स. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आर जनरली यूज in soap industry. Vegetable oils and fat oils with sodium and potassium hydroxide. Detergents are synthetic water soluble cleansing agent. Here is no use of vegetable or fat oils or fats because they are synthetic chemicals. These are petroleum products along with sodium and potassium hydroxide. Okay, you are seeing here is insoluble soap, डिटॉल दिखाई दे रहा है, डिटर्जेंट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, डिफरेंट नेम से आते हैं. स्टेन रिमूवल, विच इज यूज टू रिमूव स्टेन्स दैट आर कॉल्ड स्टेन रिमूवल. ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो स्टेन और मार्क को रिमूव कर दें. Lemon juice contains citric acid, is used to remove stain from the fabric. Important है point day to day life में कि हमारे कई बार कोई स्टेन आ जाते हैं तो उसको कैसे. हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड इजीली स्टोर पर अवेलेबल रहती है, बहुत ही लो कॉस्ट में आ जाती है 20-30 रुपीज में. माइल्ड ब्लीचिंग एजेंट होता है, इफेक्टिव फॉर रिमूविंग स्टेन्स. ग्लिसरीन इज सॉफ्ट एंड स्टेन और वुल. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड it dissolves grease and oils, is preferred as a drain cleaner या dry cleaner. Boiling water is softened fruit juice stain on a fabric. So we have different uses of chemistry, importance of chemistry in our day-to-day life. Now we will do some important objective type questions related to this chapter. The branch of science which deals with the different forms of energy, light or sound is called physics. The branch of chemistry which deals study of specific carbon compounds built up of mainly carbon and hydrogen that are called hydrocarbons, that is organic chemistry. Scientist who formulated the periodic table, Dmitry Mendeleev. Predecessors to the modern chemist who creates the philosopher's stone are called alchemists. A synthetic fiber used in clothing is terylene. Jute and cotton are natural fibers. A medicine to treat pain, fever and inflammation, that is aspirin. Anesthetics are used to give unsensation to the human beings of a particular part. Antacids are used to treat or cure acidity. A water-soluble cleansing agent not initiated by hard water is detergent. A substance which absorbs moisture and keep the skin dry and free from rashes is talc powder, talcum powder. Preservatives used to preserve food and emulsifiers is the mixture of oil and fats. Creams like. Chemical used as a preservative for jam, pickle, etc. is benzoic acid. A substance which dissolves grease and oil and is preferred as a drain cleaner is sodium hydroxide. Here are some matchings. You can do all these matchings easily by the seeing this video, and complete this part and send me on comment. Here are some questions related to the apparatus. A gas preparations where heating is required is round bottom flask. For holding vast test tubes is test tube stand. A glass apparatus resists to chemicals made by Pyrex and used for heating specific liquid is boiling tube. A metallic apparatus which supports the wire gauze, that is tripod. A long glass apparatus closed at one end used to collect gases, gas jar. A glass apparatus which measure liquid by sucking the liquid at one end up to the markable level and later pouring it into the pipette. This is the pipette we use. A long glass tube with a broad inlet of the top which allow entry of the reactant into the round bottom flask during laboratory preparations of gases is called Thistle funnel. Next, a clay vessel kept in a trough of water during collection of gas by downward displacement of water is called beehive self. A modern apparatus with an air regulator used for heating purpose is Bunsen burner. A rectangular mass with a asbestos as its center kept for initiating even distribution of heat to the bottom of the apparatus is wire gauge. Here are some questions. You have to give the reasons of these questions. If you are not able to give the reasons, you can comment me to find the right answers or any other video of this part. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, I am saying again, like, comment and share my YouTube channel to motivate me. Thank you. Bye bye.